Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2011 Toyota Avalon Limited. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals and memory, chrome trim, high solar energy absorbing glass, and much more. 17-inch 5 dual-spoke alloy wheels, all-season tires, wide-angle fog lights, automatic HID headlamps, rain-sensing wipers, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 67,056 miles. Key fob trunk release, LED taillights, the dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area with a cargo net, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather bucket seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, a garage opener, a wood grain and leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the easy to use entertainment system with a 6-disc CD changer, Bluetooth and Sirius XM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.